For over 6 decades, your kidneys have been silently working for you, filtering your blood, balancing essential minerals, and removing toxins that your body cannot survive without. Every single day, these two small bean-shaped organs process nearly 50 gallons of blood, tirelessly protecting your life without ever asking for anything in return. Most people never stop to think about their kidneys until something goes wrong. But these organs are constantly at work, regulating blood pressure, controlling electrolyte balance, managing acid-base levels, and even producing hormones that influence your red blood cells and bone health. Despite their size, kidneys are essential life support systems. But after the age of 60, things begin to change. The natural filters inside your kidneys start to wear down. Waste products gradually accumulate in your bloodstream. You may notice swelling in your legs, fatigue that seems to linger no matter how much you rest, or cloudy, concentrated urine. These are subtle signals, whispers from your body that your kidneys are tired and need support. Aging affects every organ, and kidneys are no exception. One of the most critical measurements of kidney health is the glomerular filtration rate, GFR. GFR indicates how efficiently your kidneys filter waste from your blood. Scientific studies show that GFR naturally declines with age, sometimes as much as 1 milliliter per minute per year after age 40. Additionally, as we age, the kidney's ability to concentrate urine decreases. This means your body is less able to conserve water efficiently, and nighttime trips to the bathroom become more frequent. Sodium balance, calcium levels, and phosphate metabolism can also be disrupted, creating strain on the kidneys and the cardiovascular system. In essence, the kidneys are still working, but they are no longer at their peak. This makes them more vulnerable to toxins, inflammation, and other stressors, which is why supporting kidney health in your later years becomes essential. There is hope. Every night while you sleep, your body enters a natural state of repair. Hormones like melatonin and growth hormone surge, immune system activity shifts to repair mode, and tissues throughout your body regenerate. This is exactly the moment when your kidneys can repair themselves, if given the right support. Modern medicine often overlooks simple, natural ways to help your kidneys rejuvenate. While medications and supplements have their place, nature provides powerful remedies that can enhance this nightly repair process without any side effects. One such remedy is a nighttime kidney elixir, a gentle, natural drink designed to work with your body while you sleep. This is not a quick fix or a miracle pill. It's a long-term habit that supports your body's innate healing rhythms, helping your kidneys recover from years of silent work. The elixir is simple, soothing, and made from ingredients that are widely studied for kidney support: lemon, cucumber, red grapes, honey, and warm water. Lemon, a natural detoxifier, rich in citric acid, which helps dissolve small kidney stones, flush out uric acid, and alkalize your urine. Cucumber, a gentle diuretic that encourages your body to release excess fluids and salts, reducing pressure on your kidneys. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a compound known for reducing inflammation and promoting tissue repair. Honey, rich in antioxidants and enzymes that nourish your cells and support overnight recovery. Combined, these ingredients create a drink that works in perfect harmony with your body's natural repair cycles. Lemon juice is not just refreshing, it's a powerhouse for kidney health. Citric acid, the primary component in lemons, can bind with calcium in the kidneys, helping dissolve small kidney stones and prevent new ones from forming. Clinical studies suggest that increasing urinary citrate levels reduces kidney stone formation, a common issue in older adults. Beyond stone prevention, lemon juice helps alkalize your urine, making it less acidic. Acidic urine can stress the kidneys, increase uric acid buildup, and even contribute to joint pain. Just a few drops of lemon in warm water before bedtime sets the stage for gentle, ongoing detoxification as you sleep. Cucumber is more than a crunchy snack. It's a natural diuretic, which means it promotes urine production without taxing the kidneys. By gently stimulating kidney filtration, Cucumber helps flush out sodium, water, and other toxins that accumulate during the day. Additionally, cucumbers are high in silica and sulfur, compounds that reduce swelling and support overall kidney health. Silica, in particular, has been studied for its ability to support connective tissue, which can be beneficial as the kidneys age and tissues lose elasticity. Red grapes may seem small, but they are packed with resveratrol, a potent antioxidant. Resveratrol has been shown in research studies to reduce inflammation, repair damaged kidney tissue, and improve kidney function in older adults. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in age-related kidney decline. By incorporating resveratrol-rich foods like red grapes into a nightly elixir, you support your kidney's ability to repair tissue, reduce oxidative stress, and maintain healthy filtration. Raw honey is not just a sweetener. It is rich in enzymes and antioxidants that support cell regeneration and reduce oxidative stress. Studies indicate that honey can have protective effects against kidney injury, particularly by reducing inflammation and oxidative damage. A teaspoon of raw honey in your nighttime elixir adds both flavor and function, aiding in kidney repair while providing a gentle, slow-release energy source as you sleep. Ingredients: 1 glass of warm water, juice of half a fresh lemon, 3 to 4 thin slices of cucumber, a small handful of red grapes, a few slices of ripe papaya, optional, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Instructions: pour the warm water into a cup or mug. Add the lemon juice, add the cucumber slices, add the grapes and papaya. Finish with raw honey and stir gently. Drink this elixir about 30 minutes before bedtime. Avoid high sodium or sugary foods afterward. Allow your kidneys to rest, repair, and detoxify naturally overnight. Many seniors who adopt this nightly habit report noticeable changes. Legs feel lighter with reduced swelling, urine becomes clearer and more regular, energy and vitality increase, sleep quality improves. These results demonstrate the power of consistent support for the kidneys. Small natural habits can have profound effects over time. This is not a one-night miracle. To achieve lasting benefits, drink the elixir consistently each night, 30 minutes before bed. Replace salty snacks or desserts with this simple ritual. Over weeks and months, your kidneys regain strength, your body sheds excess water, and toxins no longer linger in your bloodstream. You may also notice additional benefits: clearer skin, reduced fatigue, and better blood pressure control, a testament to the body's incredible capacity to heal itself when given the right support. In today's world of quick fixes and expensive supplements, the most effective remedies are often found in nature. A simple nightly kidney elixir made from lemon, cucumber, red grapes, papaya, and honey can restore balance, promote healing, and help you sleep deeply. Tonight, take this simple step. Drink the elixir. Your kidneys have worked for you for decades. Now it's your turn to care for them. Sleep well, wake refreshed, and let nature do the rest. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to keep bringing you useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.